Hi students, the fourth question is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. See, in previous problems, in a question, he mentioned the two endpoints, nothing but x1 y1 and x2 y2, and he mentioned the ratio. He asked us to find the point which is dividing. Now it is quite opposite. He mentioned the dividing point. He asking us to find the ratio. Nothing but we have to find the m is to n. So before that, okay, let's draw the diagram for the clear understanding. Okay. Sorry. This is a AB line segment. So these are the endpoints. I mean minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma 8 minus 8. So the point which is dividing, nothing but the P point is, we can assume minus 1 comma 6. So the P is a point dividing line segment AB in some ratio. We don't know that, we have to find that. So we have to find that ratio. We have to find m is to n. So let's write the formula, section formula. X comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, now so let's apply the formula. So the x comma y, so it is, we can take as a this point P, so it is minus 1 comma 6 is equal to m. We don't know, right? So let write as it is. X2 is 6 and n is, we don't know. X1 is minus 3 by m plus n, comma m is right as it is. Y2 is minus 8 plus n and y1 is 10 by m plus n. Here, so here we have to equate. See, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, this is x, this is y. Here we have to equate this minus 1 to this and this 6 to second one, right? So here I can write minus 1 is equal to 6m minus 3n by m plus n. To find the mn value, now here I can use any one value, so no need to take any these two. So I'm taking the first one. This minus 1 is equal to 6m minus 3n by m plus n. So here do now cross multiplication. So minus m plus n and 6m minus 3n. Here we have a minus m and a minus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. So take same variables on one side. So yeah, take this minus m to here and minus 3n to here. So what happens? Minus n plus 3n and 6m plus m. So this becomes 2n is equal to 7m. So let's take n2 here and 7 to here. So it becomes 2 by 7 is equal to m by n. So see students, now we got the ratio, I mean m by n. So we got m by n is equal to 2 by 7. Nothing but we can write as m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. This is the answer, students. Now we'll do a fifth one. So the fifth question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining a 1 comma minus 5 and b minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point division. So here students, so let's draw the diagram first. For every problem we have to draw the diagram, so we get one good idea on the question. So this is a AB line segment. The A point is 1 comma minus 5 and B is minus 4 comma 5. Now, so here there is a point. So this point is on the x-axis, and we know that the every point on the x-axis must be in the form of x comma 0, right? So there will be one x value, but y value is 0. So what he asking? Find the ratio. So he gave the A point, he gave the B point, he gave the P. I mean, he gave the hint for P also. Just we have to find the ratio. And after finding the ratio, what he asking? Also find the coordinates of the points of nothing but we have to find this P value, nothing but the X value. Okay. So let's write the formula. So the section formula x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay students, now so let's apply the formula. So here we have to find the ratio m is to n. Remember that. So the point is p point is x comma 0. X comma 0 is equal to m. So ratio is m is to n only. M is to n equal to m is to n only. Okay. So ratio is m value is m only. The x2 value is minus 4 plus n is n only. X1 is 1 by m plus n as well as m. Y2 is a 5 plus n. Y1 is a minus 5 by m plus n. See, as we did before also, see this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Here we have to equate x equal to this one and 0 equal to, we have to equate to this value. So to make it easy, just I'm assuming this second value is assuming to 0. So I can find the m is to n ratio very easily. So here I have 5m minus 5n by m plus n is equal to 0. If I do cross multiplication, like I get 5m minus 5n, 0 into m plus n, it is 0 only. So I can write 5m is equal to 5n. So I can cancel 5 and 5. So I have m is equal to n. So take this n value here down. So the remaining value will here 1. I can write 1 by 1 also. So finally m is to n ratio is 1 is to 1. Okay. So just let me draw one small line here so you can understand easily. Fine. Now I have the ratio m is to n. So and what to find? Also find the coordinates. Nothing but we have to find the x value. Okay. Now we have the a point and b point. We have the ratio also. Easily we can find the x value. So it is x comma 0 is equal to, let's apply the formula. M is 1 is to minus 4 and n also 1 by 1 plus 1 and 1 into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 by 1 plus 1. So here as I have to find the x value, right? Just I'm equating to this. So this is no need actually. So now I can write x is equal to minus 4 plus 1 plus 1. Sorry, let me write properly. 1 by 2. So it is x value minus 4 plus 1, it is minus 3 by 2. So the x value is nothing but p point is minus 3, p point x comma y is equal to minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Okay, so we got the p point also. Okay, thank you children.